Okay, let's get the housing for this stuff. Phew, I'm stuffed with big deals. Amazon. This is housing and screen protector I got off Amazon. Now about this phone's housings. So because of the new camera button, it's capacitive, whatever the word is. Most housings are not doing. Most are being cutouts. So it's like you. Anyway, this is a touch screen as well. It's a touch sensitive button. The word has escaped my mind. So if you do a cutout, you're like touching directly on the screen, but there are housings that also create another capacitive. That sounds wrong, but they basically kind of like transfer the touch sensitive feature onto the housing as well. So that's something to look out when you're buying housings for the new iPhone. Is it a cutout or is it a cover with capacitive touch as well? That word sounds so wrong. So the one I got apparently is one of those, the ones that cover and also include the touch sensitivity. It's transferred from on top of their button to the iPhone one instead of just cutting out a hole. I don't know if I'm explaining that right. Yeah, some warranty things for housing. What? I thought this was black. Could have swore I ordered black. What the fuck? Anywho, so you see, this is the button thing. It's because I need to be able to slide up and down and double tap and all these things. Not a clicky button, it's a touch sensitive button. So if I get one that's because if you get one that's just a cutout, you'll have a hole. You won't have this flat thing. So you have to get one that has the touch sensitive things transferred through their button onto the phone. Yes, that's the one I got. Let's try it out. Alright, but I could have sworn I bought black. Anywho, now the phone is heavier. So yeah, this, as you can see, it's not a cutout, it's just transferred. I will test that to see how well that works, but yeah, looks like a good housing. And of course, yeah, it's a good one. This was about 21 bucks or 18 bucks, something like that. With the touch screen, came to around 20 something dollars. My fig, no, whatever. And this is the glass protector. Should have done this before I touch the phone. So this one apparently is one of those that has its own installation thing kit. Ooh, lots of things. Dust removal cover, nice. Tape thing. The camera covers. Oh wow. Oh, nice. It's a glass that goes on top of the cameras. I didn't expect that, but cool. Two of them, of course. It's a 2-pack, 2 screen protectors, 2 camera protectors, all for $7-8 of Amazon. So yeah, it's one of those that has your own thing to install the glass, and has a bunch of instructions. Clean the screen, pull downwards to remove the mask film. What? Yeah, I'm guessing to remove this mask film. Place this on the phone. Press the screen protector on top. Shit. Yeah, something already did something. Remove the application tray. Get rid of any bubbles. Okay, I am going to do that, and yeah.